What are you doing?
I would love to like see you like at like a Pizza Hut takeout one day in like 5 years, as you're getting in your fucking Bentley with your Chanel shades on. I'm like, what the fuck, Bobby? That's you. You're like, it's me, nigga. And
I'm
like,
not gonna say that.
Huh?
I'm not gonna say that. But you can continue.
Okay. But you're like, it's me, nigga.
I'm not
like,
gonna say that. Please don't put words like that in my mouth.
What?
I'm not gonna say that.
Say what? What's up? You wouldn't say what's up?
No.
Oh, you wouldn't say it's me. You'd just be like, nigga.